Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you looking for a smarter way to keep your customer coming back to your shop again and again? Then you can use the smarter tool inside Odoo 19, which is creating a gift card and e-wallet. You can simply create and manage gift card and e-wallet inside Odoo 19, so your customer can simply use, store and buy them during the checkout time. So this is basically boost your business and activity very speedily. So without wasting any time, let's directly head over to the video. So for creating a gift card and e-wallet inside Odoo 19, we need to head over to the sales module first. Okay. So let's head over and we need to configure one option from the configuration. Head over to the configuration. Under the configuration, there we have our settings. And under the settings, there you can find the pricing, right? Under the pricing, you can find promotions and loyalty, and lastly, gift card. So this is basically manage promotion, coupons, loyalty card, gift card, and e-wallet. Okay. So you need to enable this. So here I'm literally enable this by defaultly. And after enabling this, please hit the save button. And for creating a gift card and e-wallet, let's move to the product tab. And there you can find gift card and e-wallet under the drop-down menu. So just click on there and you will get a dashboard like this. Under the dashboard, you can simply create a gift card and e-wallet like this. Here, I have an existing one, which is gift card and e-wallet. So here I'm using these things. So first of all, let me say what you mean by gift card. Starting from gift card, here I'm actually going to first create a gift card, and I'm going to use that in a particular quotation, and I'll show you how that actually works. And next, I will show you how a wallet should be generated and how we can simply use that inside a quotation. Okay. So starting from the gift card, it's basically prepared. I mean, it's a prepaid card or a code that customer can buy and gift to others. Okay. And it has a fixed value. I'll show you how we can simply put a fixed value inside a gift card generation. And once it redeems, the value is deducted from the purchase under the balance runs out. Okay. For creating a gift card, let's, okay, here I'm not going to create a new one, but we can simply add on the rules. For that, let's click on here and you will get the program name and the program type as here gift cards. And the gift card are created manually or automatically by email. When the customer orders a gift card product, then gift card can be used to pay orders as well as okay. And here you can find the gift card product, which is a gift card, and there we have the email template, gift card information, and the print report, which this is used to print the generated gift card from the BOS. Okay. And there we have the specified currency, which is in USD, and there you can find your company, and there we have the availability, which is in BOS, sales, and website. So in these three modules, this particular gift card will be shown. And there we have the website. So if you want to restrict any specific website, you can simply provide that website from here. So if you don't want to restrict anything and if you want available just all the website, you can leave empty. And there we have the POS, same as that. If you want to restrict any shop or the shops, you can simply provide here. Or if you want to show this on all POS, you can simply leave this empty. And for creating or generating a new gift card, you can simply click on here. I'm in this tab, which is generate gift card. And once you click, you will get a wizard like this. So if you want to create this particular gift card for anonymous customer or a selected customer, both you can choose from as your concern. So here I'm going to choose selected customers. And let me specify with the customer, which is Abigail Peterson. And for AC identification, you can choose a tag for this customer. And there we have the quantity to generate. And there we have the gift card value. So in the starting, I've already said you that it has a fixed value. We can provide that such as $50, $100, $1,000 like that. Here I'm going to give that as a $500. Okay. So the gift card value of Abigail Peterson, which is our customer, is basically $500. And there we have the validity period. So if you want to provide any validity period for this particular gift card, you can simply provide from here itself. Okay. And there we have the description. So you can simply provide any description. So here we have an example, which is gift card for customer. Let me give that. All right, sorry. Once I'm done with that, let's generate and send the gift card. Okay. All right, we are done with that. For looking for the coupon codes and everything, you can simply go to this tab gift card and you can identify our gift card, which there we have to balance 500, and there is a program which is gift card, and we are giving this particular gift card to the gift card to the Abigail Peterson, and you can simply send this gift card to Abigail Peterson, as we've already put out email template like this. You can clearly send that to them. So here I'm not going to send that. You can see that the gift card code here, they can simply copy that and use that inside any sales order, or they can use that right now. There we have an option as well as from here. So that's the gift card, and we can already share this to the customer like this. For copying this coupon card, let me copy this. Okay, all right, let me copy this coupon card, and let's move back to the gift card section. And here I'm going to create a quotation, and let's confirm that into a sale order, and let's use the coupon code inside a quotation. Okay, for that, let me specify with the customer, which is Abigail Peterson. Okay, there we have a customer, Abigail. And let's add the product. Let me specify with acoustic block screen. Okay, it will be in a black variant. Let me add the quantity into 3. And there you can see $960 is basically the amount of this acoustic block screen in the black variant in 3 quantity. So let's confirm this. After the confirmation, okay, so basically acoustic block screen doesn't have any kind of stock in inventory, but still we can use the coupon code. Okay, so let me show you how to use the coupon code. For that, let's click, just you can find the coupon code here. Under the total amount side, there you can find coupon code, reward, discounts, and ad shipping. So to apply our coupon code, you can simply click on the option coupon code and you can provide our coupon code. Okay, so I'm just pasting the copied coupon code and I want to apply this. For applying, you can simply click on apply and there you can choose your reward. So let it be the gift card, and let's apply that. Once we apply the coupon card, there you can find our amount is basically detected from here. Okay, so we can simply remove the tax. So here I'm going to remove tax. Okay, so there you can find the last total amount, which is $460. Okay, so that's how you can simply create a gift card and you can add that gift card into a sale order. So once you're done with that, you can simply click on confirm the order and you can confirm this quotation into a sale order. After that, you can create an invoice, you can deliver the product and you can create a payment as well as. Okay, so now we are moving to the product side and let me create a e-wallet. Okay, so for creating a e-wallet, you can simply go through this option, and there we have the program type and program type and program name. So basically, e-wallet are created manually or automatically when the customer orders an e-wallet product. Then e-wallet are proposed during the checkout to pay orders. Okay, and there we have the e-wallet product, which is top up e-wallet, and there we have the currency. If you want to add any email template, you can add those. And there we have the company, and this is basically available on the Find of Sales website, and as well as if you want to restrict any particular website, you can provide that. And if you want to restrict any particular shop, you can also provide that. If you don't want to do that, leave just it as empty. Okay, so once we are done with all of this thing, this is the similar thing that you can see inside the gift card as well as. Okay, so do the step like that, and for creating or generate a e-wallet, just click on the button and you will get a wizard like this. So if you want to specify any particular customer, you can simply specify from here, like on the customer options. So let me specify with Abigail Peterson, and is for easy identification, you can simply provide any tags for this customer. And there we have the quantity to generate for Abigail Peterson is basically 1. And let's give the e-wallet value. Let it be $200. And you can also provide the validity period and the description. So let me give a description period. Description. So once I'm done with that, let's generate e-wallet. Okay. Yeah, we have done with the e-wallet. Let's move to the tab and you will get like this, and there you can find the code, balance, expiration date is not here, and there we have the program and partners, and as well as you can send and share this to your customer very easily. Okay. For applying this e-wallet coupon, you can simply copy this coupon code from here itself, and let's move to the order session, and let's move to the quotation, and let's create a quotation first. Okay. So who is a customer? Which is Abigail, right? Here is our Abigail Peterson, and we have a different kind of option, which is expiration, payment, and terms. You can change as per your concern. And let me add our product. So let it be another thing. So let me choose from the product in tab. All right. Let's choose cable management box. And let me add more quantity, which is 5 quantity. Once I'm done with that, let's move to the reward session. And there you can find, once we click on the reward button, there you will get our e-wallet and the amount as well as from here. Okay. So that particular amount will be deducted from our total amount. There you can find all of those things. And that's how you can simply create an e-wallet and use that e-wallet inside any quotation or a single order. And once you're done with that, you can simply confirm this quotation into a sale order. You can deliver the product, create the invoice, and create the payment as well as per your consent. So that's all about how to create e-wallet and gift card inside Odoo 19. This is a simple procedure and simple steps that you need to do inside Odoo 19, and you can simply use that inside a sales order. Okay. So I hope you all understood this video. So please do try inside Odoo 19. I'll be back with another video. Till that, bye-bye.